All right, here we go. Take 3. We've been having so much trouble with lights and cameras today. Oh my gosh, here we are. Well, hey, here we are. I'm Micah.
I'm still Judy.
Still Judy. Take 3. Okay, well that's good to know. Here we are having fun in our RV, and we hope you're having fun in yours. Like many of you guys, we are weekenders. We're not full-timers, so we're getting out there usually more in the summer than in the winter. And here it is, the last day of January 2024. That means in just about a month, we're going to be kicking off the RV season in March. You know, we're getting pretty excited here. And one of the first things we're going to do is the big Southwest RV show at the end of February. Now, if you like this kind of stuff and the things we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, that's the thing we all talk about. Yeah. Okay, anyway, we're going to be going to the Southwest RV show first thing. It is a big show. Now, they promote it as the largest RV show in the Southwest, and I'm not sure what that means, to be quite honest. I looked it up. The Southwest is Texas and New Mexico and Arizona and even, you know, Southern California. I'm thinking the RV show in Quartzsite is probably bigger than this one, but I've never been to Quartzsite, so I don't know for sure. But this is a big one, and what I'm asking you to do is give us a request. Give us an idea. What would you like for us to see? We'll make a video of. Maybe you've heard about some new fancy model of small RV or big RV or whatever, and jet-powered RVs, I don't know, and you want us to
want one now.
You want us to get a video of it and talk to maybe a salesman. Or they have a lot of these RV sites, camps, whatever you want to call them, campgrounds, that they're going to be promoting there too. If you want to see a particular one of those, some information about it, let us know, okay? And that's what we'll do. This is going to be for you. We're going to take you to the Southwest RV show with us. How's that sound? Okay. Now, like I said, we're about to kick off our season here in March, and we'll probably head south. And we got a whole bunch of plans, things that we're going to maybe do this year. And we'd like you to come along and watch the videos, things like that. We're going to, of course, be headed south maybe in March while it's still cool here. We're going to head south where it's warmer, and maybe South Padre Island or somewhere, some ocean coast somewhere, something like that. We're going to be going to some kind of beach. We're going to be doing some kind of fishing. You know that's true. We're going to see a lot of state parks. I am hoping that as soon as they go on sale, I'm going to get some tickets to the West Texas A&M football game in September, to some game Go Buffs. That's right. Yeah, she wants to always do, you know, the Texas Longhorn thing. But no, Go Buffs. That's right. That's where I went to school, and we're going to have a lot of fun, I think, at that football game. But that means a trip out to West Texas. A lot of things to do up there in the Panhandle, and we can go to Palo Duro Canyon because the college is right there on Palo Duro Canyon, actually. And and we could go to probably Davis Mountains out that way. So I always love going there. We're going to be doing. I can't see because of the bright lights. Oh yeah, some historic dimension.
Do you have notes down there?
I have some notes down there, but I can't see them because of this new light we got going on.
The light.
Yeah, and we're going to go to historic destinations. And we got a couple of maybe upgrades we're thinking about doing, which we'll normally share with you guys, naturally share with you guys. So anyway, we got 2024 kind of starting to get planned and starting to be a lot of fun. And we have fun in our RV. We hope you have fun in yours. And we'll see you down the road, and maybe who knows where. And so look for our green tire cover that says we're having fun in our RV. And we hope to see you soon, and we're going to get you that video from the Southwest RV show, okay? Anything else?
Thank you.
Oh, yes. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys later.